AI wars are already raging very high. After ChatGPT, now Google has come up with a brand new generative AI tool called as Bard. ChatGPT, in fact, has got a real problem now because Bard is seemingly much better than ChatGPT in various aspects. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 incredible things Bard can do, but ChatGPT is lagging behind. First thing is a real-time internet access. ChatGPT hasn't yet rolled out internet access to the vast majority of its users, but Bard has real-time internet access and it's free. You can even access it when you go to google.com or wherever you're located. For example, I'm located in Australia, so if I go to google.com.au, I can access Bard instantaneously for free. It also lets you do things like ask Bard questions about the latest stock prices, upcoming trends, current events, and so much more. And the next video which I'll be doing will be more around Bard and how I used it to play around with few of the YouTube videos and links. So please stay tuned. Second thing which I have found out Bard can do very well and ChatGPT cannot. Since Bard has access to the internet, you can ask it to summarize an article, research paper, or official document simply by posting a link in the chat box and asking Bard to summarize it. You can also use this feature to ask Bard questions about the linked article, page, or document. Third thing is that Bard can take images as input, whereas ChatGPT only takes text as input. So Bard gives you the ability to prompt images too and do things like ask where the image was taken, explain what's happening in the image, generate a caption for the image that you can use on social media or compare the image or maybe generate your own. This feature will be rolled out in a few weeks as per Google. I'm very keenly waiting for it. Then Bard can also explain code like ChatGPT, but as Bard can access the internet, so you can share a GitHub link or wherever your code is with Bard and ask it to explain what the code is supposed to do, or maybe generate a similar code. Then, unlike ChatGPT, you can take the text generated from your prompt and export it right into the Gmail and Google Docs. Google says that you will be able to export your output into other apps soon. So I hope that you are feeling as excited about Bard as I am, and especially the fact that Google has democratized it. That is great. That's awesome. And if you closely look at it, the edge of Bard over ChatGPT is the internet access, because Google has integrated seamlessly Bard with the internet experience. I think that is where Bard is shining and ChatGPT is lagging. If you have any feedback or if you know some other features which Bard has or ChatGPT doesn't have, or if ChatGPT has something which Bard doesn't, then please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.